Christophe, can I hand it over to you for a response?
Yes. I'm not sure. I will start with the second question. I was in Strasbourg too, and there were about 150 people for the nanotechnologies. And it was very, very, very long, and we had many people talking. Maybe it was very badly done. I don't know, on the organization. But I doubt the people are not interested in participating in France. They are very, very involved when we talk with the people. The only thing is they are no more involved as we can imagine they should be. They're just making their political life on their side. And we just try to connect them. What has been said is very interesting, is how to, we are proposing tools to those people. Those people just don't want us to give them tools. They have the tools already. They communicate. The question is not to my point of view anyway, but the question is not to see which tools we can bring to the people, but what the people can bring to us. Maybe that will be a start of for a talk on this question. I'm not sure I am clear about this, but if you go on Twitter, on Facebook, on any blogs, you have many political talks, many people working together, many people planning to do some things on the environment, for example. You have many, and you have, Sandrine Belier knows many. I met some others. Those people do exist, and they are very involved. But if you ask people just to go on a website, say what they may think about X or Y or Z topic, whatever, I'm not sure they will come, because they just find it useless. I don't doubt that at the Commission they read anything that can be sent by the people. But what happens next? The people have no idea of what their contribution would give in the future. There is no following of their work. And I will be quite curious to know who the people participating are. Are they just kind of Mr. Smith, or are they professionals of politics, like lobbyists, NGOs, etc.? That will be interesting to understand. About the first point, about the digital revolution, we have to go in that way. The debate of today is pretty interesting on this question, and I'm glad we have this discussion with many people from the institution as well. But the best users of those new technologies are not the institution, they are not the politicians. We are all followers of these technologies. The main users are the citizens. Maybe we have much more to learn from them than they have to learn from us. I know it's really difficult to put in form and to make it concrete, but that's why I was talking about the petition committee, about the citizen initiative, because this comes from the people. I guess the tools that can really work are the tools that the people will put in place, and not the one the institution can put in place. I don't know, maybe one day it would be interesting to have a big debate with important French, English, German, anyway, European bloggers and people making public opinion today in the street. And that could be really interesting, maybe. And maybe those people will have the answers. And anyway, today is a good start for that.
Christophe, thank you very much for that contribution and that answer and the discussion really about what we need to learn from the citizens and the tools that they want to use to express themselves, and the work we still have to do to mobilize citizens and make them aware of the potential that ICT has unleashed. I'm going to ask now Angelo Marcotoli, who is the head of the Directorate for the Innovation and Research in ICT in the Toscana Regione, which many of you know has really been at the forefront of some of the most innovative regional initiatives with the level of cooperation I think many administrations and government could only dream of. Angelo is going to tell us about the Ideal EU project and regional networks of participation, and maybe even a little bit about virtual town halls if time allows. Thanks, Angelo.
Thanks, Julia. Good morning to everyone. So, may I have the slide presentation?
Yes, you're on.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, like Julia said, I'm on for the consortium Ideal EU, but what we want to talk about is about the result, just the result of Ideal EU, and about the new idea. So, like the launch of this European network of participatory regions. A quick look to the consortium, because it's important to understand that what's the main actor. Because in this consortium there were 3 institutional regions of Europe, in particular regional government of Tuscany, Poitou-Charentes, and Catalonia, well supported by a staff technical for dissemination or for the support of the platform from technology point of view, and for methodology about town meeting. The experience of Ideal EU, what's the main part, what's the main focus? We can change to the third slide, to number 3, please. How do we change the, sorry, a technical problem. How do we change the slide page? Okay. Oh, perhaps I should stay there. Sorry. Okay. Well, there was the quick look to the consortium. Sorry for before. So, like I said, the 3